Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Phanogram Digital. My name is Shukanta Datta and I am a Google Ads expert and digital marketing specialist. I have helped over hundreds of clients in completing their Google Ads advertiser verification successfully. And in today's video, I will guide you on how to complete the Google Ads advertiser verification for a dropshipping or e-commerce business. I had made another video earlier on how to answer the business operations verification form in general with a live example. So if your industry or business model is different, you can check that video out as well. I will share the link to the video in the description. So if you're running a dropshipping business and have received the notification for completing the business operations verification, the process can be a bit tricky. And if you do not pass the verification before the deadline, your account will be paused and it may even get suspended if you delay it for long. So in this guide, I will show you how to answer the tricky questions, some common mistakes to avoid, and how to increase your chances of approval. Here is a quick info on the dropshipping business model. So in this model, you promote your products on your website, but you outsource the order processing and storing inventory and shipping and delivering to another supplier or suppliers. So if your business model is like this, you are in the right place watching this video. So let's quickly get started how to answer the business operations verification form. Okay, let's take this website as an example. This is shineindia.in. So Shine is a global fashion and lifestyle online e-commerce store. They have built a fully digital supply chain that seamlessly and quickly delivers products to their customers worldwide. Now, Shine has a number of suppliers who directly process the orders from customers and then ship and deliver the products directly to the customers worldwide from their warehouse. So let's go ahead and answer the most tricky questions in the Google Ads business verification form accordingly. So we are skipping the questions which are simple and not related to dropshipping. So the answers are already pre-filled over here, and I will quickly explain the important questions, what are the selections to be made, and how you should frame your answers here. Okay, so firstly, you put your Google Ads ID, customer ID over here. You enter the website. You select yes, we still use this website. So if you are an organization, then you select the option I run ads for the organization I work for. Now you enter the legal name of your company here, not the brand name. Okay, for Shine India, Shine is the brand name and the legal name is Next Gen Fashion, Fast Fashion Limited. Where is this business registered? It is in India. Here you upload the company registration document that was used during the identity verification. Is there another business that manages campaigns or campaign creation? You select the option as no. You enter your name. Here I've entered my name as an example. You enter your company name. Here you put your company's brand name because most of your documents would be under your brand name. You would have billing or invoices or customer agreements or vendor agreements in your company's brand name. So you can enter your company's brand name here. You enter your company's street address, your company's city, your company's zip and postal code, and you enter the email address you sign in to Google Ads with. Okay, so let's come to the most important part, which is about the advertiser's business model and partnership. Okay, so the first question is please describe the company's type of business. Here our website is an online e-commerce platform through which we sell fashion apparel, clothing, shoes, bags and related accessories of our own brand. The products are sold through our website shineindia.in. Please make sure to enter your website URL in the answer. Next is please describe the company's business model. Here you need to give three information. First is your business type in short. So it's the same thing that I've entered earlier in the company's type of business. So we are an online sales platform through which we sell fashion apparel, clothing, shoes and other accessories. Number two, customers can browse our products on our website and place the orders directly from our website. Our supplier then ships the products to our customers through courier. The products are sold through our website shineindia.in. So it is very important to mention who ships the products to your customer and how they do it. And thirdly, who are your customers? Our customers are people worldwide who are looking for fashion apparel, clothing, and other accessories. The next question is specifically related to who are your customers or target audience. Here you mention our customers and target audience are people worldwide who are looking for fashion apparel, clothing, shoes, and other related accessories. And please describe how your company interacts with your target audience. You enter, we interact with them through phone or email. Okay, so here is the tricky part. Considering your answers above, select the business type that best reflects the company. Okay, so we will go through each option individually. So the first option is first party. We own the products or services advertised and are responsible for the quality or fulfillment. Here this is not applicable as the products are not owned by Shine, even though they are responsible for their quality and fulfillment. So we cannot select this. The second is online sales portal. We promote brands owned by other parties and provide a way to buy those brands through our website. Okay, the second part is correct, but there is an issue with the first part. See, we Shine uh, promotes the products under their own brand name. So they are not promoting brands owned by other parties. So we cannot select this option as well. Brand reseller. Okay, this is also not applicable as Shine promotes the products under their own brand name. Marketing and advertising agencies. This is also not applicable as well. So what we do is we go ahead and select the last option, that is other. I don't know. Okay. So when you select other, another set of questions drop down. Okay, so do you provide products or services listed on the website? We cannot select yes, we cannot select no, someone else provides the products and services. What we have to do is we go ahead and select the third option, other. Are there any other business relationships required to provide the branding, services, or products? We have to select yes. So when you select yes, this set of questions drop down again. Please explain how the products or services are provided. So what you have to do here is you have to enter all your supplier's name. If you have two or three suppliers, then Google's character limit would allow you to enter all the information. If not, just enter two or three suppliers. Okay, and if you have a single supplier, then it's not a problem at all. So what you do is you enter your supplier's name here, say supplier A, then you enter your supplier's domain name, and then you write we promote the products on our website and our supplier A ships and delivers the order to the customers from their warehouse. You enter the same thing for your another supplier. So who does provide the products or services on the website? You enter the same answer over here as well. Now, if you have, the next question is upload any documents that support your selections above. So this is not mandatory, which is a good thing. So if you have documents which clearly establishes the relationship between your suppliers, then you can upload a document here. And if you don't have the documents, then you can skip it. Okay. So are there any other relationships required to provide the goods and services? Here also you have to select other. Then when it says please explain, you enter the same answer that you have entered earlier. You do the same thing. If you have the documents, then you upload it. If you don't, you can skip it. So does the company provide paid marketing, paid advertising, or paid lead generation services? Now this is related to your advertising practices. This is not related to business operations. So this part should be easy. No, we are not an advertising agency. Does an external marketing or sign into your Google's ads account? You select no. Are there any other parties that manage the advertising content of the account? You select no. Then this is related to your business operations again. Describe how the target audience receives the goods or services promoted in your ads. See, you have to be very much transparent, okay, related to your business model. Just don't think that if I write that we ship the product ourselves, and then Google won't be able to detect it. Okay, so please don't do that. You mention over here that customers can browse our products on our website and place the orders directly from our website. Our supplier then ships the products to our customers through courier. The products are sold through our website shineindia.in. Okay, so the other questions are related to your ads account. Who creates the ad content? We create the ad content. We create our website content. Who would a customer hold responsible for non-fulfillment of goods or services? You have to enter my company. Do any other parties sign in to the ads account? Select no. Are any other relationships required to provide the branding used in ads? You select no, because here Shine is using their own brand. Who pays for the Google Ads account? So you enter Shine pays for the Google Ads account. Then the last two questions: how does your company protect its current and potential customers' personal information? So you enter the most important clause, or you summarize your if you can summarize your privacy policy in 4 to 5 lines, you enter that information over here. So here I have entered: we protect the personal information of our users by storing them in a password protected and encrypted database. We strictly control the access to this database and conduct regular audits and updates. You enter a link to your privacy policy. Then if you have any additional documents that support the claims made above, so you can enter any additional document, but I would not recommend it, so that Google doesn't get confused. Because if you have any document, then you are supposed to enter it here, right, when we have entered the details of relationship between the owner and supplier. Okay, so this is it. Once you have filled up all the information, you go ahead and click on submit. So I hope that this video should help you in getting your dropshipping or e-commerce business verified successfully. And do press the like button if you have found this useful. If you are still unable to complete the verification, you can always reach out to me, as I provide professional service for completing advertiser verification for complex businesses. You can also buy the services directly from our website phanogram.com, or you can also check my profile on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, where I provide these services. I will also share the contact details in the description. So please subscribe for more such Google Ads guides. Thank you, and see you in the next video.